Hi guys, another day, another life. So today we have another vlog. So we are going to bake a carrot cake. So this is the first time I did. So I hope you like it and I hope you try at home. So now we are going to cook the sugar. 1 cup sugar and half cup of water. Until become brown. And naghiwa ako ng dates dito ng maliliit at nagdawin tayo ng flour. Okay, haluin lang ng haluin para hindi siya dumikit. And now magdagay na tayo ng itlog at sugar and oil. I-mix lang natin siya ng mabuti. Okay, mix until it's combine everything and the sugar it will gone. Okay, then isunod na natin yung niluto kong brown sugar. Yan, ayan guys, haluin lang mabuti. Okay, then next natin yung carrots, then isunod na natin yung dates. Yan, nahalo na natin siya. Then i-prepare naman natin yung all-purpose flour. So nilagay ako ng baking soda, baking powder, and cinnamon. Okay, then i-mix ulit natin yung dry ingredients. After that, i-combine na natin siya doon sa wet ingredients. So ito na guys, haluin lang natin mabuti at ng dahan-dahan. Okay, until ma-mix well siya pareho. And after that guys, we have to cook this one in the oven for 45 minutes. So yeah, that's it. See, so please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, if you like this video, please do share. Thank you for watching and see you in my next vlog. I hope you try this one in your home and you like it.